3 months ago, my kitchen was overrun. Ants along every worktop, flies circling the bin, a cockroach behind the fridge that I pretended I hadn't seen. I'd spent over 40 pounds on sprays, traps, and plug-in repellers, and nothing worked. Then one evening, I tried something in a frying pan that I honestly thought was ridiculous. And I haven't seen a single insect in this house since. Today, I'm going to show you exactly what I did. If you've ever woken up, walked into your kitchen in the morning, flicked on the light, and watched things scatter, you know exactly how defeating that feeling is. You clean everything. You seal the bins. You wipe down every surface. And they still come back. Because the problem isn't your cleanliness. The problem is that you're treating the insects, not the entry points. And that's exactly where every shop-bought spray fails you. They kill what you can see. They do absolutely nothing about what's coming next. What I'm about to show you doesn't just kill insects. It makes your home somewhere they refuse to enter in the first place. It creates an invisible barrier that flies, ants, and cockroaches genuinely cannot stand. And the entire thing costs almost nothing to make. Here's what you need. 300 milliliters of water, 2 tablespoons of cloves, 2 tablespoons of baking soda, and a handful of dried bay leaves. That's your entire shopping list. You probably already have most of it. Pour the 300 milliliters of water into a frying pan and bring it up to a medium heat. Add your 2 tablespoons of cloves and let them sit in the water as it heats. Watch what happens. Within a few minutes, the water starts to darken and turn a deep amber color. That's the clove oil releasing into the water, and that oil is absolutely lethal to insects at a sensory level. Their nervous systems cannot handle it. Now, and this is the part that looks a little dramatic, sprinkle your 2 tablespoons of baking soda directly into the pan. It's going to fizz and react with the clove decoction immediately. Don't panic, that's exactly what you want. That reaction is activating the mixture and intensifying the repellent compounds. Take it off the heat, let it cool for a few minutes, then pour the whole thing into a clean spray bottle. Drop 4 or 5 dried bay leaves straight into the bottle. Bay leaf contains eucalyptal, which is another natural compound that insects genuinely cannot tolerate. Put the lid on, give it a shake, and you're done. Now here's where most people go wrong with any repellent. They spray it in the middle of the room where they've spotted insects. That does almost nothing. You need to think like an insect. Where are they getting in? Spray this along your front door frame, along every windowsill, inside your kitchen cabinet edges, behind the bin, around the back of the fridge, any gap, crack, or entry point you can find. These are the borders of your home, and this spray turns them into a wall that insects simply will not cross. Reapply every 4 to 5 days, or after heavy rain if you're treating outdoor areas. Within the first week, you'll notice the difference. By week 2, they're gone. I was completely fed up. I tried everything the shops had to offer and nothing gave me lasting results. This cost me less than £1 to make, and it's been the most effective thing I've ever used in this house. No chemicals, no toxins. Safe around kids and pets once it's dry. And it smells incredible. Clove and bay leaf is genuinely a lovely scent in a home. Try this today, not tomorrow, today. And come back and tell me in the comments how fast it worked for you. Tell me where you're watching from. I read every single comment. If this helped you, hit subscribe. I post home remedies like this every week that are actually backed by results. And share this with someone whose kitchen needs saving. See you in the next video on Make This Trap Once and Never Deal with Mosquitoes Again. Deal with mosquitoes.